concerns in children, especially during seasonal changes. Ayurveda explains this as an imbalance in body's natural energies, particularly Kapha, which is predominant during childhood. This natural Kapha predominance is very essential for the kid for the growth and development, but also make the kid prone to digestion problems and also nasal congestions, allergies, and other respiratory issues. These are often triggered by especially dietary habits. And apart from weather changes, dietary habits also plays an important role, and also improper daily routines. At Apollo AyurVAID, we address the root cause by strengthening the digestive system and parallelly improving the immunity, guiding families on seasonal diet changes and also improving the lifestyle accordingly, and applying gentle and child-friendly therapies according to the need of the child. This holistic and preventive approach not only helps children recover faster but also reduces the chances of recurrence, promoting long-term wellness and resilience. Thank you.